Hello, this is to introduce the demo of direct indexing Doomoolmori. Direct indexing is a service that enables a wealth manager to provide each individual client a different customized portfolio set by stocks. As using direct stocks, it actually saves the cost causing from the ETF or fund transaction fee, and actually being able to provide a customization value to each client. One of the strong recommendations in direct indexing is to unbundle a existing product. An existing product like ETF or mutual fund could be a good start point of customization, which a wealth manager can leverage. In Doomoolmori, we have all listed ETFs in worldwide, so as long as the license is cleared, you can bring any. In this demo, we brought 3 as an example. Say like Nasdaq 100, which is a popular ETF. If you select the ETF, you will immediately see the price data up to date by daily basis, and you will see the composition stocks up to date and the weight as well. Now we will start the customization. Say your client is interested in those top tier stocks that represents the value of this ETF the best. You can simply increase the weight, and if you see the weight changes, if you change one stock's weight, the other 99 gets also changed to meet the 100% sum. And say your client doesn't want Amazon in the portfolio because he or she already has Amazon in a separate account, or simply not really attached to the stock. You can simply turn it off to make the portion 0. And say your client is also interested in those innovative, aggressive technology firms like Nvidia or Tesla, you can increase the weight here too. So if your portfolio is customized like this, you can simply run the backtest. You can go to backtest setting to set the length of the period for the backtest, and simply run the backtest. Doomoolmori direct indexing backtest speed is at a unique level in the worldwide industry. In 5 seconds, you will see the backtest result comparing these two, new portfolio set and the original benchmark, which is Nasdaq 100. You will see cumulative return, annualized volatility, Sharpe ratio, maximum drawdown. It seems that this new portfolio is quite nice in aggressive return and quite defensive on a loss. And you will also see this periodical return comparison by monthly basis. If considering a partnership with brokerage or stock securities firm, you will simply imagine that to place this buy button here to immediately make this transaction traffic into the business. Or you can simply come back here and make some more modification and then buy this stock as a portfolio. This was the unbundling approach of direct indexing. We also provide more profound way of building a customized stock portfolio by using factors and scoring models. First, we can choose the country. We have all listed stocks in worldwide in more than 120 countries in the database, so feel free to choose any. In this demo, we brought 6 as an example. We will choose India as it had a recent positive explosion. And we can select the basic logic, how to sort down the result of the screenings. And factors, we provide various factors from classic financial information base to an advanced and enhanced factors that we have developed, like analyst consensus informations. Every factor has its own descriptions shown so that each wealth manager and even client can understand what they're investing in. Now we will start some portfolio buildup. Without selecting any factors, you will see 4,300 stocks in the market. If you start choosing these factors, we will choose most classic factors, which are PBR and PR, and set the ideal range of the score. You will see it narrows down to 226. And if your client is also interested in high R&D companies, then we can select this R&D divided by market cap and set the ideal score range to have the total numbers of the stock narrowed down to 19, and we will simply see the result of it, what stocks they are, and we will also see the informations of these stocks. You can simply run this backtest and make this comparison between those new portfolio built and the original benchmark, which is India market index itself. This benchmark could be customized in terms of partnership or user base. It seems like it's quite aggressive portfolio in both return and loss defense. You will also see the periodical return of comparing those two. And one more offer we make is the scoring models. Without using these profound factors here, we provide qualified and traditional theory-based strategies here. And we also have these characteristics of each gurus of this investing industry, like Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, Ken Fisher, David Dreaman, and the others too. Say in India market, we will see how it works with Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch style mixed together. We see about like 480 companies here and discover what they are. We see all the stocks here and the informations of it immediately. And moreover, we can run the backtest, see how it works. It looks like that Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch style mixed together in Indian market is showing a good result in terms of return, both in return and defense too. This is the bundling approach strategically with direct indexing service of Doomoolmori. We also provide the strategic unbundling experience here too. As we saw, we provide model scoring based strategy sets here, characterized very easy to use by the consumers and the wealth managers. Say I want to see which stocks are in the top 20% of Warren Buffett's value scoring result within this Nasdaq 100 ETF. If I choose top 20% stocks of this scoring model, then we will see in Nasdaq 100 stocks, some of them are and some of them are not. If you're a big fan of Peter Lynch, you can select the bottom 20% of Peter Lynch scoring stocks and see which they are in Nasdaq 100 composition and make them off to make the portion 0. If you select one factor's top 20 rankers, then it immediately brings the weight positively increased. This is one way of very nice strategic customization, beneficial for both wealth manager and clients. Direct indexing also provides the automatic rebalancing by each account. Starting from portfolio customization as a review. First, we bring the original ETF and make the customization based on factors and modeling based. Say Warren Buffett score top 20%, value growth score top 20%, or like R&D score bottom 20% result, and make them grow or eliminate the portion. Then we have our strategic customized portfolio here. And then as we saw, we also provide the function of micro manual customization too, like eliminate stock C and grow the portion of stock D like this. Then we get to have the finalized portfolio registered into a single account. Now we will see how a automatic rebalancing could work. Say this original ETF has been rebalanced by itself like this, changing the portion of each stocks like this. Then we will bring the same fixed factor and model set with different result by rebalancing. Say Warren Buffett top 20% result, value growth and R&D, they are a same set of filters but with different result in stocks. As we apply the same logic here, we have the original ETF rebalanced and strategically rebalanced stock portfolio here automatically. And in terms of micro manual customization, we bring the same set here, so it'll work as the same logic, like eliminate this stock C and grow this stock D by double. And this rebalanced portfolio by automation is different from the original finalized portfolio registered initially. And this is how a automated rebalancing from Doomoolmori's direct indexing service is possible. Thank you for watching.